Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put an image behind the text on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial section. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, go to the URL section and make sure to type Google Docs, hit the enter button, that should take you into this page. From that page, you'll have to click at the first link, make sure to avoid any advertisement links or ad links, and that should take you here. And once you are here, you'll have to click at sign in to log in into your account if you have one. But if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at sign up for free to create an account. And once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or this main screen of the Google Docs website. And of course, from here, we'll be able to create a new blank document, some of their templates here, which is provided by Google Docs and totally free, or you can just go and open some of recent documents, which I'm going to do, and it's actually all already empty. Here, I'm just going to add an image. Let me just add a normal image. I'm just going to take it from here and paste it right here. And now I'm just going to add my text. So let's say, an example, my text will be hello as an example. So here I'm just going to make it a bit bigger, bold, and a line. And here I'm just going to click at my image, and now I'm going to choose one of their options. Make sure to choose the behind text option. If you click on it, as you can see, your word is already goes up. So let me just take it down a bit, and of course just make it in the middle of my page if I want. Of course I can make it wherever I want, and of course I can choose or you move the picture, sorry, or I can move the picture however I want. So that will be it. That will be for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.